Ito ang latest chika mga mosang. Tinanong ng mga mosang kung hanggang kailan niya ipaglalaban ang nobya o ang kanilang pag-iibigan. Sabi ng aktor, hanggang dulo. And she was never just a someone I love. She was someone I choose every single day. Kahit hindi laging madali. Kahit may mga araw na napapagod kami, she stayed. And I stayed too. Hindi dahil wala na kaming choice, kundi dahil ayaw naming bumitaw. And there were moments when the world felt too loud, when everything around us tried to test what we had. Pero sa gitna ng lahat ng yon, siya pa rin yung pinipili ko. And her presence made things calm. Her love made things worth fighting for.